What up, YouTube fans? This is T at T Productions on a fine chilly morning, and today we have Ticket Grinder, where we play an assortment of tickets and see what happens. Do we get grinded, or do we actually grind the tickets and win? Alright, so I've got 5 $1 No Mean the Money tickets and 2 $5 Bengal tickets. We are going to start with the Gnome Me the Money. Okay, so we've got, let's see here. They're not going to be in order. They're not in numerical order because we've played a few of these already, and on our special we did evens versus odds, so it kind of took apart the pile of the order of things. So we'll start with 291. Okay, so let's see. We've got to find match 3 like amounts, win that amount. Match 2 like amounts and find a mushroom symbol, win double that amount. Alright, this is 291 as I said, and the odds are, let's find out what the odds are. 1 and 2.22. Alright, so here we go. Let's see if we get anything good. 20 bucks. 10 bucks. 100 bucks. Well, nothing there yet. Alright, so let's continue to play. 100 bucks. $1. $15. Okay. So let's see here. We have $1. $150 and $30. Looks like we didn't win anything. Nope, not that one. Well, that one didn't win. Okay, so that was 291. This is going to be 293, and here we go. $600, $5, $15, $15, $600, and $100. Ooh. $2, $300, and $20. Nothing there either. Wow. Okay. That's 2 out of 5. Alright, it's 295. Here we go. $2, 300. Oh, there's a mushroom. Win 2 times. Okay, so we got to match 2 like amounts now and win double the prize. So there's a win X. Mushroom. $150, $100, $1. Okay. $1, $600, and $20. So, if this is a win, let's see, we've got T. Oh, we still got, I think we got another row here. Let's find out. No. Okay, so this looks like a winner, folks. 2 like amounts, 1, 2 times 2. So it's about, that looks like a winner. Because it doesn't say match any 3 like amounts. Okay, so I guess we did win. There's a winner. Right there, folks. Alright, here we go with the next one. We have $1, $15, $600. Next row, we've got $10, $5, $600, $100, $150, and $30. There we go. That's an auto winner. Okay, last one on this one, and that's number 299. The other one we played was 297. This is 299. Here we go. $1, $1, $20, 15, 150, 100, 15. Last row, I think. There we go. 300, $1. Oh, there's another dollar. There's another winner, and $600. There we go. $3 right there. 1, 2, 3. $3. So we got 2 winners out of that. All right, folks. Now we've got the 2 $5 tickets, and we're starting with number 51. Match any of your Bengals numbers. Win prize shown for that number. Reveal a Bengals logo. Win that prize instantly. Odds are 1 in 3, 6, 3. All right, let's begin. We have 14, 6, 11, 23, and 17. All right, let's begin. 19, nothing. 40, there's no 40s. 35s, no 35s. 39, and 27. Nothing. Nothing there. Let's begin again. Okay, so we have 13, 16, 2. We got a 1 off on that 13. 7, 36. Nothing there. All right. Okay, so we have 32, no 30s. 37, 1, 9, and 21. Last row, we have 30, no 30. 33, 28, 4, and 22. No winners there. Let's see if there's anything under here. Nope. All right, so we got no winners there on that one. Just to make sure. Yeah. Nothing on that one. All right, so let me clear off the scratch surface here. Number 52. All right, here we go. We have 10, 13, 16, 3, 32. All right, let's begin. 16. There's a winner right there, folks. Look at that. $2. 16, 3. Oh, there's another winner. $3. 16. Oh, there's another winner. Wow. $5. 2, 4, 5. 16. That's $5. 13. Another one. Look at that. 2, 4, 6, 7. 3. Wow. 2, 4, 6, 8, $9 so far, folks. All right, next row. 10. Oh, there's another one. $10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. There's one. 11. There's another Bengals winner, folks. That's $11. Come on. 13, 11, 12. $12. 10. Oh wow, 12. Huh. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13, folks, so far on this Bengals ticket. 32. Oh boy, look at that. Oh, this is a big win. Here we go with another one. There's another Bengals winner right there, folks. $1. Oh man, another winner. Look at that. Holy smokes, and another one. Look at that. Oh my God, folks, we're hitting it big. Look at that again. And another one. Oh man. Let's see if there's a, oh, there's another row. There's another one. There's another winner, folks, right there. I'm gonna have to add all this up after I scratch all these winners. This is amazing. There's another one. This is a huge, this is big. Look at this, folks. Oh yeah, 16, another one winner. I'm gonna add all this up when I'm done. 32. Oh, this is a, oh. Okay, folks. I'm gonna add all these up. So let's go, let's count this up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30. A $30 winner, folks. That is awesome. Wow. That's amazing, folks. A win like that makes T Productions very happy. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and we'll see you again. Until next time.